Hello again. Now let's continue playing with our tiers. Now I have created two tiers, one tier with two annotations, and I also changed the attributes of this sign tier. But of course, typically while you are annotating data, especially sign language data, you will have many tiers. And for the sake of simplicity, I will be working only on sign 1. And as you see, this sign is two-handed, and I see the same hand shape. For example, the movement, orientation, they're all similar. Since it is a two-handed sign, I want to add more tiers for my annotation for each hand, for left hand and for right hand. So what I will be doing is to add more tiers to my tier structure. And in order to do this, I go to tiers, add new tiers. Okay, tier name, I will add a tier for left hand. Okay, and then I go to add, and without closing this dialog box, I can add another tier. Now I want to add another tier right hand, and I go to add, and then I go to close. But again, if I put my cursor, I see that there is missing information about the name of the participant and annotator, and it is good to have this kind of information for all the tiers that you created. So for this reason, I go to tier tab again. I want to change the tier attributes, but this time I want to change the tier attributes for left hand. I want to add information for the participants and the annotators, and I do change. And without closing this dialog box, I go to the other tier and add this missing information, change and close. And when I put my cursor, now I have all the relevant information for my tiers.